Hi, welcome to Tanyo TV. My name's Emma and I'm going to be making some bird feeders. To make the apple bird feeders, you need some apples, some sticks, sunflower seeds and some string. First you need to collect a small stick. Sticks can be found under or around trees. You can either remove the core from the apple using a corer, or you can push a stick through the middle like this. Be careful when doing this. If you find it tricky, you may want to ask somebody for help. The sticks are purchased for the birds to sit on. You can then attach string to the ends to make a loop that you will use to hang the apple bird feeder onto a tree branch. Lastly, push the sunflowers into the apple. I like to make a smiley face or a pattern. Now you have finished, you can hang them in the trees for the birds to eat.